Unraveling the phrase, reinventing the wheel. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, reinventing the wheel. Stick around as we unravel its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. This phrase is a key to understanding not just language, but also a common cultural concept. So let's get into it. Reinventing the wheel is an idiom that describes the process of duplicating a basic method that has already previously been created or optimized. It implies that instead of continuing with the methods that are already available and efficient, someone is unnecessarily trying to create something similar that serves the same purpose. It's like creating a new type of wheel when the existing ones are already rolling just fine. The phrase is often used to suggest that the effort is wasteful or unnecessary. While the exact origin of reinventing the wheel is difficult to pinpoint, it's clear that the concept has been around for as long as humans have sought to improve existing technologies and processes. The wheel itself, one of the oldest and most fundamental inventions in human history, serves as a perfect metaphor for something that doesn't need improvement due to its simplicity and efficiency. Over time, reinventing the wheel has become a common saying in English, used to caution against wasting time on solving problems that have already been solved. To help you understand how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. In business, instead of reinventing the wheel, let's use the existing framework for our new project. It's already optimized for our needs. In technology, creating a new operating system from scratch seems like reinventing the wheel when there are so many platforms already available that do the job well. In daily life, why spend hours making pasta by hand when you can buy it? Isn't that just reinventing the wheel? It's important to note that the phrase should not be used to discourage innovation or the improvement of existing methods when there's a clear benefit. Sometimes, what seems like reinventing the wheel can lead to significant advancements or more efficient processes. It's all about context and whether the effort truly adds value. Understanding phrases like reinventing the wheel can enrich your English vocabulary and help you communicate more effectively. It teaches us to appreciate the balance between innovation and efficiency, encouraging us not to waste effort where it's not needed but also reminding us not to shy away from improvement. We hope this exploration has been insightful and adds a new dimension to your understanding of English idioms. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.